All right, welcome back. Breaking news on trade tensions with China. Kayla Tausche has been all over this story. So, Kayla, what happened?
Well, we believe that China earlier today reached out to some folks that they were trying to plan these visits with and said that there had been a change in the schedule of the Vice Minister of Agriculture and that some of these visits could no longer happen. The Montana Farm Bureau confirms to CNBC that an expected visit that was in the works for a subset of this Chinese delegation to go to Montana as part of multiple farm visits in America's heartland, that those are no longer happening. The Secretary of Agriculture, Sonny Perdue, just yesterday confirmed that these meetings were in the works. It was believed that this was an effort to build goodwill with America's farm community, which has been hit very hard by China's retaliation, by the state purchases ceasing on agriculture. So we're trying to figure out exactly what this means for the state of trade talks, which have been going on for the last 2 days in Washington, and whether this represents some breakdown in talks behind the scenes or perhaps some frustration on behalf of China from those comments by President Trump's advisor, Michael Pillsbury, yesterday on potential escalation in the trade war if there isn't a deal soon. So we're trying to figure out exactly what's behind this cancellation. But no doubt, Dom, it was supposed to build goodwill, and now it is not happening.
All right, Kayla Tausche, thank you very much for that. I just want to point out what's happening right now because there has been a market movement in certain parts of the overall market, and that is specifically with the 10-year Treasury note yield. You can see there we're at 1.76%. That's a pretty precipitous move in yields to the downside, indicating this flight to safety, people buying up the safety of U.S. government bonds. So there has been a market impact on those particular headlines. We'll continue to monitor that throughout the course of this hour and beyond.